Good evening, everybody. This is Berry Violet here, and guess what? I got the order today. I know I emptied the packets, but I just put it on my bed so I can show you. I finally ordered this new upgrade version of this Violet Beauregarde, which you can consider that a third version. I ordered it from Spirit Halloween, and it cost about $85 plus the fast earliest overnight shipping, which cost the highest. See? So, here it is now. That's the one I got right now, which I took it out of the package before I show it to you. Why do I took it out? All I found is this one when I looked around, so I removed them. This is a battery operated. If you're not much of a battery person and you prefer the power bank person, so here they are. If you wanted to change it, all you have to do is order like this one, the USB version from Amazon. So that way you don't have to worry about this one, the one I show you, the white one. But I'll show you how I put it on and how I change it. Okay. All I have to do is twist in order to seal it tight. See this one? Got it. Fully locked. See? It's completely replaceable and changeable. So that's the USB I prefer. See? Now all I have to do is put on the belt with the pouch so I can put the power bank in. I'll show you how I do it. And just make sure my microphone's on so you can hear me loud and clear. Even I talk with the soft voice and the whispery voice. Okay, if I put the suit on, do I see this power bank is on the left? So this that's the cord. That's where I'm gonna put it in, like this. Oh, and if you want to know, there's the power button, like this. See? Good thing you don't have to change your clothes, especially when this suit is removable. Okay, all I do is plug it in, so to stop the fan, all I do is press it 2 times quick, like, and to turn it off, press 1 time, like this. And so now you see how I inflate myself, because the power bank connects to the USB fan. Now all to do is try it on so I can see how it works and how I look with it. What it look like? How did I put it on by myself alone? Like, independently. A little bit soapy. Right. Here. Good thing there's a rope, so all you can do is pull it. Now you can see how I turn it around, like this. Alright. Just fix the belt. And I could feel the power bank, which I can feel it. Like this. Here goes now. Whoa. Oh, there it is. Here goes. I know I may be small, since I'm not taller as the other tall people who were it before, but me, I'm the smallest. I'm 4'10" feet tall. Here you go. Whoa! I'm round. I'll let you see my back. Oh, and now I'm looking and getting bigger and round now. Wow. I'll just move the camera back a bit so I'll let you have a close up. There you go. Wow. I am big now. And round. Big and round as a ball. I'm surprised this belt is tax. I'm surprised I look good as new. And much more rounder. Let's see if I can crouch down. Ooh! At least I can kneel down on my, stand with my knees, like kneel. I'll do just walk with my knees on the floor. Kneeling. Knees. That's the one I'm looking for, knees. Kneeling knees. So you get what I mean. I just feel like waddling around with my knees instead of my feet. Ta-da! And there you have it. Now, in order to turn it off, all I have to do is, I can, see, I just turn off the power bank under my suit. Once you happen, you can't see it. Unless you want to let the air out real easy, all I'll do is take up the Velcro like this. If you feel the string, like this. See? Ta-da! This is called like a slight quick change or something. And that's all the unboxing product review I showed to you. And before I go, I hope all you have to do is, I would like to ask you to subscribe me and click like with the thumbs up over there under the video. Click like with the thumbs up and subscribe me as well. And that'll be all today. And I would really appreciate your support and respect and love. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.